original. They go flog you. You say now these things be this. No be Apike collection be all these ones o. Special burst. Yo, I go on everybody. You already know the vibe. Lifestyle King here. And today, what we want to do now be say I want to boss my night SB dog orange lobster. Yo guys, this is the special boss lobster. Whoa! I'm gonna catch how many people get this special boss for Nigeria. Yeah, they're not many. I swear. Because the money for this special boss, if you still buy another lobster. Normally, if you buy shoe, normally if you buy original sneaker, normally not just this pack they will give you. Just this one. Because in a special boss, so kind other cup settings see this side. They say that cup set 25th anniversary. But make we first start with this guy because this is the main reason why we dey on this whole vibe with this. Many things that they pack for inside, all these things. Yeah. I go hear word for all these things where they mad, all these ones. I have to find some mini baby girls, they dash them just now. So guys, now the bad guy be this. Oh God, see shoe now, Jesus. Oh ah. Nike. Hello, now they hear me. Yesterday I followed you that talk on a Nike with this, so IDB. I call B. I call my B. Dope thing. I'm on this shoe. You know how much this shoe worth? I'm not telling her, but go check this shit out. Go check it out. Now block. So if you see me say they work, just give me space. Don't call the susu with me. Let's see what we got here, guys. Brand new thing, shy guys. Say they do. No be all this was one they do. Now brand new and our original. No be just say. No be on our fugazi be this one. And the year. These people, when they know what they do, gone. They know what they do. It be like Jeep, inside Jeep. Damn. It has to magnet my leg. We'll shoot them around. Dope thing. Mini double lace and everything, safe. Just see an Abi. Don't be just say you get a Nike SB dog orange lobster. You get the special boss. That be the question. So you just see don't be just say that special boss. You see some kind of stuff where full of come. Oh man, this is the fuck with my head. I'm so hyped, like fuck. Crazy thing. This SB dog special boss here, this one and this I never wear this one too safe. This Travis. If I wear these ones, you can't see me for road. You can't wave me. Say you wave me. They will arrest you. They must arrest you. If you wave me, say, hey ISB. So I wear these shoes for leg. You wave me, say, hey ISB. They must arrest you. If they not arrest you, not be ISB. You see. Then this one too safe. Gone. Yeah. Come. This Army Paris. This one gone safe. This one, if you call say ISZ, this my bouncers first they go first flog you like 20 for your back to start with. They'll whip all your back peel. So mind how you talk to me outside if you see me. Jordan 4, yeah, is my all-time favorite sneakers. Yeah, not be all these SB dogs safe. Not be SB dogs increase. Me they beat SB dogs. Almost if I wear these guys for leg, I don't move ahead. Do if I wear these guys for leg, come I get like over 7 pairs of fours. Yeah, come now, come and show you. So watch out and see what we're gonna get out of this. What time? So guys, if now you get these sneakers, this is one of the two, so you go do it. And also you know try it. No be on a fugazi with this. If you say this is one do, you go buy the fugazi, you can't do this one. Even your fugazi, so you're not gonna see how I use. I swear.